In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in OneDrive. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can build a simple form, add questions, and share it with others without any confusion. First, log into your OneDrive account. Once you're signed in and your files are visible, look to the left side of the screen for the plus icon. This is your starting point for creating something new. Click that plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose the Excel Survey tab. This launches the survey builder that stores responses directly in an Excel file, which makes it easy to review results later. You'll be taken to your Forms tab, where you can set up the survey. Start by typing your form's title into the box provided. A clear, specific title helps respondents understand what the form is about right away. In the next box, type your first question and, if helpful, a brief description. The description is great for adding context or clarifying exactly what kind of response you're looking for. If you want to add more questions or give people multiple choices to pick from, click the plus icon below your current question. You'll be prompted to choose the type of question you want. Click choice if you want options like yes or no, or a list of options to select from. Click text if you want people to type their own response. Keep questions concise and focused, and consider using descriptions to avoid confusion. Continue this pattern. Add a question with the plus icon, then choose choice or text until you've included everything you need. As you work, you don't have to worry about losing your progress. After you've added your questions, your form will automatically save. You might see a saving indicator, but even if you don't, the system handles it in the background, so you can keep building confidently. When you're ready to share the form, click send. From there, you can copy the link and paste it wherever you need, such as in a message or a document, or you can send it directly to email recipients. Choose the method that fits your audience best. Copying the link is quick for broad sharing, while sending by email is handy when you want to reach specific people. That's it. By logging in, clicking the plus icon, selecting the Excel survey, setting your title and questions, adding more with the plus icon, and finally using send to share, you've created a form in OneDrive that's ready for responses.